Is this seat free today?
Yes, you can sit down.
Are you from this city?
Yes, I live right here.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Max.
Do you work near here?
I work in that building.
Is it a big office?
It is very big indeed.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it much.
What time is it now?
It is 10 o'clock exactly.
Is there a cafe nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Do they sell good coffee?
They make very good coffee.
Can I buy you one?
Thank you, that is kind.
What do you want today?
I want a black coffee.
Do you want it hot?
Yes, very hot, please.
Do you need some milk?
No milk for me, thanks.
Do you want any sugar?
Just 1 spoon, please.
Will you eat a cake?
Yes, an apple cake, please.
Is it for here?
No, it is to go.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, a small paper bag.
How will you pay today?
I will pay by card.
Can you tap the card?
Yes, I am tapping it.
Do you want your receipt?
No, I do not need it.
Where can I find bread?
It is in aisle 3.
Do you have fresh milk?
Yes, it is right there.
Where are the green apples?
They are in aisle 2.
Are the apples sweet today?
Yes, they are very sweet.
How much is 1 kilo?
It is $2 only.
Do you sell paper towels?
They are in aisle 5.
Are they on the top?
No, on the bottom shelf.
Where do I pay now?
Pay at the front desk.
Is the line very long?
No, it is quite short.
Can I take this basket?
Yes, you can take it.
Can you help me, sir?
Yes, I can help you.
Where is the main bank?
It is down this street.
Is it very far away?
No, it is quite close.
Do I go straight now?
Yes, go straight 2 blocks.
Do I turn left then?
No, you must turn right.
Is the bank very big?
It is a tall building.
What color is the building?
It is made of glass.
Is it open right now?
Yes, it is open today.
When do they close today?
They close at 5 o'clock.
Can I walk there fast?
Yes, in just 5 minutes.
What is your hobby, Leo?
I like reading good books.
What books do you read?
I read books about cars.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis often.
Where do you play tennis?
I play at the park.
Do you play every day?
I only play on weekends.
Do you have a dog?
Yes, a big, active dog.
Where do you walk him?
We walk by the river.
Does he like to run?
He runs all the time.
Do you watch sports too?
I watch them on TV.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I am free today.